Hi beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down how men actually fall in love. Because, let's be honest, men don't fall in love the same way women do. Their emotions may be subtle in the beginning, but once a man becomes truly invested, his feelings can run incredibly deep. If you've ever wondered what might be happening in a man's mind as he starts developing feelings for you, stay with me. We're going through 6 stages that can reveal how attraction gradually turns into true love. Let's get into it. 1. The first attraction, the spark that starts it all. For many men, the journey starts with attraction. And no, that doesn't mean appearance is the only thing that matters to him. It simply means something about you immediately catches his attention. Maybe it's your confidence, your smile, your personality, your energy, or even the way you speak. Something about your presence makes him want to know more. At this point, he isn't necessarily in love. He's simply interested and attracted. He may begin noticing you more often, checking your social media, finding reasons to spend time around you, or looking for opportunities to start conversations. 2. The curiosity phase, he wants to know more. Once attraction takes hold, curiosity usually follows. He starts wondering who you really are beyond the initial impression. What makes you happy? What are your interests? What do you believe in? How do you see the world? He begins paying closer attention to the little details, the stories you tell, your sense of humor, your habits, and the things you're passionate about. You may notice him asking more questions, initiating conversations, texting you first, or trying to make you laugh. He's essentially testing the connection and discovering whether the two of you genuinely enjoy each other's company. When he realizes that conversations with you feel natural and enjoyable, his interest can begin developing into emotional attraction. 3. The emotional connection, when feelings become deeper. This is the stage where things start becoming more meaningful. He's no longer interested only in spending time with you. He begins becoming emotionally invested in who you are. Your opinions start mattering to him. He remembers small details you've mentioned. He enjoys being around you even when there's nothing romantic or exciting happening. More importantly, he may gradually become vulnerable with you. He might talk about his dreams, disappointments, fears, personal experiences, or challenges he doesn't normally share with people. When a man feels accepted, understood, and emotionally safe around someone, his feelings can become much stronger. At this point, it's no longer simply about attraction. It's about connection, trust, understanding, and feeling genuinely valued. 4. The protective phase, he wants to be there for you. As his feelings deepen, his behavior may begin changing. He starts caring more about your well-being and naturally wants to support you. This doesn't necessarily mean acting like a hero or trying to control your life. Instead, it can show up through simple actions. He checks to see whether you're okay. He offers assistance when you're struggling. He makes himself available when you need someone to talk to. He may even notice when something is wrong before you say anything. For many men, actions become an important way of expressing feelings they haven't yet put into words. When he consistently makes an effort to support you and be present during difficult moments, it can indicate that you're becoming increasingly important to him. 5. The attachment phase, you become part of his life. At this point, your absence begins to feel different. He doesn't simply enjoy having you around, he starts imagining what his life would look like with you as a regular part of it. You become woven into his routines, thoughts, plans, and emotional world. He may naturally begin thinking about future experiences you could share together. This is also when consistency becomes increasingly important. He wants something stable rather than a connection that constantly feels uncertain. If both of you want the same thing, this stage can transform a promising connection into something much deeper and more serious. 6. The commitment phase, he chooses you fully. True love isn't only about intense emotions. It's also about decisions and actions. When a man is genuinely committed, he doesn't simply enjoy the feelings when they're convenient. He makes an ongoing effort to nurture the relationship. He becomes more intentional with his time, attention, communication, and plans. He isn't constantly searching for alternatives or keeping one foot outside the relationship. Instead, he begins building with you. He considers you when making important decisions, creates plans that involve you, and consistently demonstrates that the relationship matters to him. That's when feelings become commitment. So, remember this, love doesn't necessarily appear all at once. For many people, it develops gradually, from initial attraction to curiosity to emotional connection, trust, attachment, and eventually commitment. Men may express their feelings differently, but genuine love usually becomes visible through consistent behavior. It's not just about chemistry or excitement. It's about feeling connected, respected, emotionally safe, and valued. If you're trying to understand whether a man is developing serious feelings for you, don't focus on one isolated gesture. Look at the overall pattern of his behavior. And most importantly, true love should be mutual. You shouldn't have to constantly chase, convince, or beg someone to choose you. When the connection is genuine, both people gradually move toward each other with consistency, care, and intention.